at Heidelberg University and a visiting researcher at the Technical University of Munich. She helped develop the device. Hello and welcome to Quirks and Quarks.
Hi, Bob.
Well, tell me about walk-on.
Whoa, Scotty, tickets. Another one, Scotty.
What side of the fucking road are you on?
Do you want to use your side of the road?
What in the actual...
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Get over your fucking self. The indicator was on for a fucking reason, tool. Yeah, have a rage, darling.
And what do? We end up looking like a monkey fucking a football out there.
man. Just park on the wrong side of the road, but you're going to park the wrong way. Alright.
Yep. Wouldn't it be great to see two Aussies in the final?
Well, they do a long
say
time
Jordan
since
Thompson versus or Popper and versus.
Out of the way, Dopey!
The phone in your room.
Yeah, but if you have got people and you're uncertain whether they've got phones or not, for God's sake, stay in the perpendicular.
You dick!
And that is the word let. If I let you do something, I'm giving you permission, right? Yeah. But in the last couple of hundred years ago, the word let meant to stop you. Gee whiz, what sort of driving is that? You just cut that guy off because he was annoyed. Seriously. Get your bum in the gear. Go, brain.
Oh my God.
Bloody idiot!
No, I think that it was a gift from Cora. A gift of...
Gee,
Cora, seriously, you're gonna stupid with...
It's all about notice. And in the case of April, they trusted that the actor was an integral part of that team. And
wellness more than ever, especially. But no, it is that kind of gifting that he must break away from.